Hey guys, Brian with VetteSource checking in today, Monday afternoon. We've got another Corvette here for the chopping block that we're going to be working with. We acquired this weekend. This one here is a 1998 Corvette Coupe, black with a gray interior car. Right now we've got the drivetrain removed. The engine is sold from this one already, but we do have the rest of the suspension, rear differential, transmission, torque tube, front and rear suspension both available with this car. As you can see right now in the state it's sitting in, it's just a body shell. Front clip was of course blasted. That's where 90% of these Corvettes get wrecked. And just as an aside, so you can see, these are your frame rails. Front part of these rails are still good right here. It looks like it actually, what we call in the business, ditch surfed. Went up in a ditch somewhere, because what it did was it bent the frame rails right back here. Those are not supposed to be flopped over like that. That's actually, probably intentionally, that's where they'll bend. And of course, with this car, it was not economically feasible to fix it. So that's why the decision was made to go ahead and tear it down, obviously for parts. So looking at it here, you can see we've got master cylinder, brake booster. All the AC lines are still installed on it. I believe the fuel lines, early fuel lines, gone. Door is here. Interior's still in it. I've got a cluster. This is a heads-up display car. We got a heads-up unit, steering column, the ever popular AC control, heater control panels in this with the shifter bezel still here. Although they did recover it, or they painted the shifter bezel, but it still looks intact. Seats, seat tracks, the passenger side airbag did not blow. Door panels are in it. The switch, driver's side switch with the memory function is there. Rear view mirrors in it. There's actually an overflow tank back here. Carpet's still in there, gray carpet. It looks fairly decent, probably will clean up. Some interior panels. Quarter panels are still on it. Rear bumper, hatch, rear deck hatch is there. Rear bumper's got a little bit of a hickey. Scraped through the paint right here. I think it gouged it just a little bit right there where my thumb is at, where my finger's at. But it's nothing too bad. It's not all the way through the surface. Other than that, it looks pretty good. This quarter panel doesn't look bad. This door is in good shape. Driver's door looks to be okay. The mirror's good. We got some miscellaneous, stuff here, hardware. This is where that bend on the other side is that I'm talking about. So, again, to repair this car, you would have needed to really come all the way back here, buy a rail from General Motors, and sleeve it to fix it properly, and it just wasn't worth that kind of money. So, looking it over, you can see there's still lots of goodies on it left. If you've got a need for something, definitely give me a call, 832-654-7367. My name is Brian, and I'm going to go ahead and turn our video off here pretty quick before it just starts raining on me really bad. So, thanks again for watching, guys, to the end, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. See you then.